Really great turnout at the developer workshop. We have an overflow screen outside the booth as well, so people that can't get a seat can still catch the talks. Lots of really early stage startups also, so it's been an earlier point in the conversation than we often get to talk to people, which is really nice.
Ask a startup expert is kind of our motto or our slogan, but it could be all sorts of companies that come up and talk to us. I talk with people from IBM, from Cisco, all sorts of people come to the AWS booth. We're here to help startups out. So it's to meet with them and really just see what we can do to make sure they're happy and successful on the AWS platform.
We're sponsoring Mentor Hours so that we can help startups learn about how to lead, build, engage, and overall grow their companies and show them what AWS has to offer.
It's been really interesting because I'm getting a myriad of different levels that is coming. So I'm getting a lot of questions on what is CI/CD, and then on the other end, it's like, oh, this is the perfect talk. I just had a CI/CD pipeline crash, and maybe we should look at AWS.
There have been a lot of interesting questions, primarily been technical questions related to how to solve architectural issues. There's been a lot of interest with SageMaker. There's been a lot of interest about EKS, the Elastic Kubernetes service. A decent amount about Kinesis data streams as well. It's difficult for people to sometimes conceptualize the different components and how they fit together, so drawing it out on the whiteboard really helps them.
I think when we help customers, it's a combination of both. I'd like to try to give people concrete things that they can look at, touch, and see to pattern after, and then let your imagination go wild from there. So I try to give them the high level, but then give them something they can really cut their teeth on and implement.